Hi everyone, we're braving the cold here so that we'll be able to finish the installation of this raised garden bed. It's surrounding our, this is a very old plant. It's a port wine magnolia. And I planted this, would you believe it was about just that high and that small. And now look at it, it's humongous. So Francis is just putting the middle bracket. He already assembled this one here some days earlier. And the bracket in the middle is for it to prevent it from spreading, because this one is kind of loose. There's that bracket that Francis is trying to install. This one here.
Good.
Oh, you can pull that one hard because that's a weed. Okay. Okay.
Just tighten it.
Okay. So what we've installed here is this garden bed that surrounds this port wine magnolia. The plan here is to plant more plants in here. I've already put some hydrangeas in there, and there are some at the bottom there, some sweet alyssum, but I'm going to dig that up and raise it because we have some bags of potting mix and we're going to put it in here. And we're going to plant more stuff in there. If you're interested in anything gardening, pond keeping, or suburban life here in Australia, please subscribe to my channel. I have more videos to come. Thanks for watching.